Okay, so we're gonna be working on combined like terms, okay? So combined like term is when you combined terms that are the same, okay? So for example, in your worksheet you have C plus 5C, okay? For this one, right, when you see a variable by itself, you could add a 1 in front of it, okay? Because that has a value of 1C. Because they both have C's, right, 1C and 5C, you add them together and you'll have 6C, okay? If that C was, let's say, just a regular 1 plus 5C, you cannot combine this, all right, because they're different terms. That's a whole number, that's a number with the variable, all right, with the letter. So you can't do that, okay? If you had, let's say, a 5C plus a 2x, you will not be able to do that because x is a different variable than c. Although both are variables, they're not the same variable, okay? It has to be the same variable. So if you had a plus c right here, and as I explained before, you could add a 1 in front of it. 5c plus 1c is 6c plus 2x, okay? And you leave it like that because you can't combine the 2x with the c's, okay? If you have, right, let's say 2 plus 5x plus 4, okay, you could actually combine only the 2 and the 4 because they are the same, all right? They don't have a variable, they're both whole numbers, unlike the 5 that has a variable. Okay, so one thing that I tell students to do when they're doing simplifying terms is circle the ones that are the same. Circle the 2, circle the 4, and what are they doing? They're plus. So 2 plus 4 equals 6, right? You bring it down to the 5. So your final answer when simplified is 6 plus 5x. Okay? Subtraction, same thing too, okay? You could also subtract when simplifying terms, okay? So let's say we have a 5x minus 2 plus 3x plus 1. Okay, right here, right, we have a minus 2 and a plus 1. So circle the ones that are the same, right? The 2 and the 1, right? They're both regular numbers. Negative 2 plus 1, right, equals, as we know our negative numbers, you could draw our circles for that. 2 negatives, 1 clear. Okay, cancel them out. You're left with 1 negative, okay, negative 1. Now you can combine the 5x and the 3x, right? You have a plus, so you have to add them together. 5x plus 3x equals 8x. So your final answer when you combine all of them together is 8x minus 1. Okay. In your worksheet, most of them are just 2 terms. Okay, so it should be fairly easy because they're all the same term. However, when you get to number 8, right, I'm going to do number 8 for you right here. You have 2r minus 4 minus 9r, okay? Right here, once again, circle the ones that are the same. So 2r, right, and negative 9r, okay? There's no other 4. There's no other regular number, okay? This is your question number, all right? So 2r minus 9r. Remember, you could draw our variables for that. Our circles for that. 2 positive r. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our negative circles, cancel them out. 1, 2, 1, 2. Count how many you have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 negative circles, all right? Meaning that your answer is negative 7, and you keep the r, okay? So once you're done with that, you'll bring down that 4, okay? Negative 7r minus 4, right? Make sure you bring it down. You could draw an arrow to remind you. Because these are different, right? This one has a variable. This one does not have a variable. You can no longer combine them, okay? So your final answer, right? Your simplified answer is negative 7r minus 4, okay? For number 8. Now that you've seen how to combine like terms, you'll be doing these steps to help you complete your assignment. I'm hoping this video was helpful. Please email or comment for any questions.